Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create SEO friendly URL in Drupal. So guys, step by step I will show you that how you can create SEO friendly URL, because without SEO friendly URL the website is not proper, and as a developer you should know that how you can make SEO friendly URL. So step by step I will show you that how you can do that. So let's start. Alright, so this is my Drupal already installed. Actually I'm not going to show you that how you will install the Drupal from scratch. So that part I've already covered in other videos, so better you please check that. In this one the main task is to show you that how you can make this SEO friendly. So we need two extensions or module, and we will install that. The first one is Pathauto. So let's search here in Google. You will see this Pathauto, and then scroll down here. So this is the latest version, and currently I'm using Drupal 10.11, so that's why it's compatible, no problem. What I'll do, just I'll copy it. So we have two options actually here. Normally I install through this composer, but you have other option also. Through this one also you can download directly, you can install from here. So what I'll do, come back to this extension and then just go to add new module and then click here and then continue. So this Pathauto module successfully got installed, and then let's find another module, and that is token. If you search here you will see here token, and then click here, scroll down, and you can see once again there is a package. So once again I'll do the same process, just copy here and then add another module. Next this one also. Once both these are installed, then we need to find here basically, so token and Pathauto, these two we will select here and then install. Okay, so it's done now. Now let's go to content and then try to add any content. For example, I'm just going to add here content. In this case I have created one this content type, another content type, that is blog. So I will add this one in this one only. So let's click on blog and then okay, and same here I'll just paste, and then in the right side you can see URL alias, in spite of installing those modules and enabling. Okay, so let's do one more task. In the meantime I'll go to performance and then clear cache. Let's close it. So in spite of adding those two modules, enabling also, we can't find any option here. So what I'll have to do, just go to save, and you will see still it is showing here node rather than displaying this URL. So what I'll have to do, once again go to extend and then here Pathauto and then configuration. Right here we need to add here the URL pattern. So how to do that, click here and then select the option what content. After selecting content you will be asked that which content type you would like to use here the pattern for. For example, for blog, what I'll write, blog, and then here and then here node title. So this will be prefix blog and then node title. So I'm clicking here, and then label you can just write here blogs. Okay, so basically what we are telling here that okay, when the blog content is added, then you follow this pattern. So now click on save. Once you have selected, then once again go to content, and then let's try to edit this, edit, and in the right side you can see this option is now enabled. So what I will do, just select this option, then you can see you have two options basically. Here manually you can enter, but in case you don't want manually, then just click here and then automatically alias will be created. Okay, this is very important, because if you know the basic SEO, then you need to understand that the URL matters. URL is very important as per SEO perspective. So now let's click on save, and then guys you can see the URL is, rather than node, URL is coming like this, right? So it's very, you can see, very useful and user friendly as well. So if you add here the new content, for example, let's add here one new content, going into the blog, then I'm typing something like that, and then just if you don't have to do now anything here. Okay, just leave it as it is. Now when you see it, then you can see the URL once again is generated like this. And one very interesting point here, you can see in each URL there is blog. Why? Because in the pattern we have told that okay, prefix will be blog, and after that it will be different. Now what happens if we add here, let's close it. What happens if we add here page? For example, in content type we have pages also, that means article as well as basic page. So in this case, if I write something here, say services, I think already there, na? So why us? If I type here why us and then try to add here, you can see there is nothing here, means we have not specified here. That's why manually if you put only, then it will show, or else it will show the node only here. Why? Because we have not defined the pattern. So what we have to do, just duplicate it. In this case you can see this time we are going to here select basic page. Let's uncheck this, and then inside the content is already there. So rather than blog, I will type here say page or pages, whatever you want. Okay, in this case, or we can do one thing also, just let's remove everything, just we can enable this one, and of course here pages. Now save, right here content, then we have selected the basic, so save. So we have two patterns. For first one blog, let's here add one more, say for articles. What I will do, just same way like blog, you can type like this also. Okay, so articles, and then once again I will write here articles. Now save it, and then now come back to here for the content, and then try to add. So this one is basically basic page. This why just we have just added here. Now you can see in this section it is also. So yeah, you need to take here, click here first time, auto generated, and save it, and you can see here direct in the new one here what is displaying, why us, right? This why us is displaying just after, there is no any prefix. Now let's add here inside the content. Content means article. Okay, now I will name it as latest articles. In here image, I'm not going to select anything, so just I'll put here latest article here also, tags, and then try to publish. Yeah, once again, yeah, it's already ticked, and this is latest articles we have added here. Save it, and guys you can see now the URL is web and then articles and then latest article. So guys, this way you can make the website SEO friendly. That means URL will be now dynamic. You don't have to do anything. This is very essential plugin SEO point of view. So hope this video is useful for you. If you are new in this channel, then don't forget to subscribe. So stay connected, and if you have any question query, don't forget to ask. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.